Okay, everybody. Well, here it is. Lasko Window fan transformed into a portable fan. There's the stand. I think that looks. Really good. I think that shade of green aligns up perfectly with the original. If you ask me, fan cleaned up pretty well. Just got everything put back together, and here is a view of the back. Oh, sorry about that, folks. Alright, I think that looks pretty cool. Both the front and the back guards look a lot better. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this thing up and let's see it run. Fan has improved a lot. It's very quiet now. There's no noise at all. Vibration is really good. Putting out some good air. Alright. Let's turn it down to low. That's what I love about these old two-speed motor fans, is that the speed variations are they're just so accurate. There's high, and then there's, well, technically the low is more like a medium speed. It's more like a medium low. I did oil the motor too, by the way, before I put it back together. Has a decent coast down time. See if we can capture a startup sound. Let's turn this thing around and we'll get a shot of it from the back. I know that some of you like to do the fan running from the back, so it's blowing the tape there up on the rack. Okay, excellent. Now I can use the fan anytime and anywhere. This is going to be a great sleeping fan. Sometimes I'll be using it out here in the garage. I need to put that up. And most times I will be using it in the house. And also good for display. Can't beat these old machines. Well, there you go, everybody. I hope that you all have enjoyed this little project here. Another one up to be using for the 2026 summer season. Thank you all for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed, and more content to be coming soon. Enjoy the remainder of your week.